Hello friends, what is going on? Welcome to our channel Trade Empire. On this channel, we help you to understand about indicators, strategies and technical analysis of stocks. But if you are new to our channel, then hit the like button and subscribe our channel, so you can get this type of very informative video regularly. Today in this video, I will explain you about moving average and its trading strategies. First of all, you should have proper understanding of moving average. Generally, moving average is the average of the closing price of specified candles. For example, if we give 30 period as input in moving average setting, then it will show the average of 30 price candles. This was all about of simple moving average. Sometime you hear about exponential moving average. It is nothing, but it is also a moving average. This exponential moving average is calculated based on the recent price candles. Its short form is EMA. Generally, EMA is used more than simple moving average. You will be having questions about its usage, then let's get some knowledge. As we discussed, moving average is average of closing price of the candles, so it moves in the direction as price move. Thus, moving average indicates the trend of the stock. Sometime it is called trend following indicator. Whenever the price moves above the moving average, it is called the uptrend. Similarly, when price moves below the moving average, it is called the downtrend. But if the price is within the moving average, it will be called sideways trend. Second use of moving average is that it gives fine signals for price action of the stock. It means that, with the help of moving average, we can make trade setup, whether it is buying or selling. Let us understand how. For buying and selling of the stock, we can use moving average crossover. In this strategy, we will plot two moving averages with different values. General rule is that, when small value EMA crossover the big value EMA, from upside to downside, we can get the sell signal. Similarly, when small value EMA crossover the big value EMA, from downside to upside, so we can get the buy signal. For example, here we are taking 50 and 100 moving average. Now as you can see over here, when 50 EMA crossover the 100 EMA, from upside to downside, we are getting sell signal, and you can see the result. Similarly, at this point, the 50 EMA crossover the 100 EMA, we are getting buy signal. After this buy signal, the stock has gone to fine uptrend. This strategy is generally used in high uptrend or high downtrend. If you are going to use this strategy in sideways market, you will get false trading signals. Now in our next strategy, we will use moving average with trend line. You can see here, we plot 150 EMA line, and at this time the price is above the 150 EMA, thus the stock is in uptrend, so here we will see for buy setup. For buy setup, just find at which area the pullback occurs. As you can see here, a pullback is appearing. After the pullback, we can see that the price is taking support at 150 EMA. The price gets support and then it reverses, but at which point we should buy. For that, plot a trade line on pullback, by joining highs of the candles. Now see at which point, the price crossover with the trend line. As you can see here, the price crossover the trend line, so we will buy at this candle. And after our entry, price has made a good move. Now see an example for the sell setup. We have plotted 150 EMA line, and the price is below the 150 EMA line, so it is a downtrend. As discussed before, just find the pullback. As you can see here, a small pullback is appeared, so wait till the price get resistance at the 150 EMA. When the price get reversal after making resistance to the EMA line, we will plot the trend line, by joining lows of the price candles. Now find at which point, the price crossover with the trend line. As you can see here, the price crossover the trend line, so we will sell at this candle. After our sell entry, the price made a good down move. You can use moving average with indicators such as RSI, MACD, and some more effective indicators. In our next strategy, we will use moving average with MACD. There are four main parts in MACD. First is the MACD line, second is signal line, third is MACD histogram, and the fourth is zero line. In our strategy, we will trade only in trending zone, that is high uptrend or high downtrend. We will wait till pullback occurs, and after that, if some conditions satisfy, we will make our buy or sell setup. As you can see, we have chart of a stock over here. We have plotted our 150 EMA line. The price is above the 150 EMA line, so it is an uptrend. During uptrend, we will make buy setup only. We will find at which area pullback occurs. Here we can see a huge pullback. This gives signal to buy. For buy setup, bullish crossover should happen. Bullish crossover happens when MACD line crossover the signal line from downside to upside. Here MACD line crossover the signal line from downside to upside, so this is our bullish crossover, and this crossover happened below the zero line. If this crossover would have happened above the zero line, we couldn't trade over here, but at this time, this crossover happens below the zero line, so we will see for the buy setup. Another condition is that the price should not go beyond our 150 EMA line. Here the price is not crossing the EMA line. Thus, after fulfilling all the conditions, we will buy here. After our buy entry, price goes in a good up move. Now we will see a sell example. Here the price is below the 150 EMA, so this is a downtrend. Now find where is our pullback. Here you can see our pullback, then just wait till the bearish crossover happen. Bearish crossover happens when MACD line crossover the signal line from upside to downside, thus we have bearish crossover just over here. These crossovers happen above the zero line, and at same time the price is below the 150 EMA line, thus all the conditions are satisfied, so we will sell over here. After our sell entry, the price goes in a good down move. That was all. If you liked this video, then give many likes to our video and subscribe our channel. Just comment us next time on which topic you want to see video.